Hello guys and welcome to another new video for Bank Nifty and Nifty post market and also pre market analysis for tomorrow. Today is January 15th and we are seeing now Bank Nifty's chart on a 5 minute time frame. This is today's price action of a Bank Nifty on a 5 minute time frame. But let's come back to this intraday chart later and see what were the opportunities that we had today. But before that, as usual, to know about tomorrow, we have to go to our daily time frame, and here we have the daily time frame of Bank Nifty. So here we are in the Bank Nifty daily time frame. Nothing much has changed here because from last many days on a daily time frame, we are see initially we have a support here, but from the last many days we have seen that Bank Nifty is continuously in the sideways momentum, and here we have seen this portion. We have seen a lower high from the previous swing high, and we have also seen a breakout from the swing low, but that very moment after the breakout, the very next day we have seen it taking the support from this level, that is this level. Okay, on this particular day, previous day, means on this red candle day, we were discussing about this support area as well. So here we have seen a Bank Nifty taking support from this area, and it is now almost we are seeing it has stopped there. Okay, so now if you see here on the left, you have a swing high right there. So now this might act as a minor resistance for the Bank Nifty on a daily time frame, but this is the candle which has been acting as resistance on a daily time frame. Okay, see, it has created once, and only once we have seen a daily Bank Nifty range just touching this range of this spinning top island candle that has formed. Okay, and then immediately got it got a strong reaction towards the downside. Now after taking support here, we can see the Bank Nifty is going all the way towards its high, but it is approaching this level. Now we have to wait and see whether it is going to uh, uh, surpass this level and give us a positive breakout towards the upper side with a confirmation, or if it takes any negative candle formation here at this resistance area. In that case, we can see again a kind of pullback towards this gap, this level. Okay, so because gaps are going to act as support and resistance levels, now we can see some sort of uh, support coming up from this area, or this can become its main key area. So for that, we have to wait and see. Right now it's looking bullish, but on a overall wider picture, the Bank Nifty is still on a sideways momentum there. Okay, so we cannot come to a directional bias about Bank Nifty on a daily time frame because it's absolutely sideways. It's going all the way up, down, and now it's again going towards the upper side. So we have to wait and see on that for the Bank Nifty. So if it's coming up, then definitely you should keep an eye on this region, this level, because it's going to act as resistance for the Bank Nifty. If there is enough supply, then it may cross this resistance area and give us a close above this. But only a close above this is not sufficient for the Bank Nifty. You need to see a confirmation candle on a daily time frame here. Okay, so either a price momentum coming back to this, or taking support from this. Okay, after certain momentum, okay, going there and coming back, and if it's taking support here, then it has a strong chance to go towards the upside, or if not, at least here you should see a confirmation candle. Okay, with a higher high, higher low, and a higher close happening there. All right. So until that happens, we cannot say that the Bank Nifty is out of this sideways zone. But as of now, as of today, we can see that it has clearly opened a gap up in a gap up situation, and also we have seen a positive close here, and it's approaching this. All we can see is it's approaching the resistance area. So be careful with this zone. But if it starts to fall back, then this gap may act as some sort of support for the Bank Nifty. If not, if it starts falling down very rapidly, then this is the level that we have to look for. Okay, so irrespective of these levels here in the Bank Nifty, let's remove all this and check how the Nifty chart is. So irrespective of, even in our weekly analysis video, we have said that the Bank Nifty is still stuck in the sideways momentum even in a weekly time frame, but it's not the same case here for the Nifty. Okay, because we have seen a breakout for the Nifty on a weekly time frame. All right, so let me quickly grab the weekly chart here. Okay, so here we have the weekly chart, and here we can see the breakout of this is the last week's candle of Nifty. So here we have seen a positive breakout of Nifty from the previous high of the previous high of these two candles. Okay, breaking these two candles at a time, we have seen a higher high and also higher close and also a higher opening for the last week. The only parameter which was not positive is the lowest, but it has taken a very pretty good support from this 21,450 levels. That is why we have seen, see, most of majority, more than 50% of this candles range is a rejection portion. So on a weekly chart, Nifty was looking very bullish, and we can see that very clearly on a weekly time frame. Now coming to this daily time frame here. Okay, so the last week, last working day, last Friday, we have seen even on a daily time frame, we have seen a breakout of Nifty from this previous swing high. Okay, and we have seen a confirmation candle today with a pretty good gap up opening. But the only concern is now here we have achieved not only this is the first time we have seen all-time high close after 22,000. So now this becomes a very important level for the Nifty, because 22,000 is a big milestone for the Nifty to reach, and we honestly didn't expect it to reach this fast. In fact, a close above 22,500, 22,000 mark is pretty good. See here, you can see the Nifty getting closed at 22,097 points. All right, so it has opened at 22,053. The opening itself, we have seen Nifty opening above for 22,000. Okay, so but it has seen some sort of price correction during the intraday time frame. We'll see how that was that has happened on a 5 minute time frame. But here on a daily chart, it's definitely looking bullish. The only hurdles for the Nifty, if it's going towards the upper side, is all the round numbers. That is 22,200, 22,300 if it's going too far. Okay, but if for any case, if it has to uh, come back and take support, then this level definitely is going to play some important role for the Nifty, because that's coming from the previous swing high, and it may uh, take a support here. Okay, but Nifty is looking pretty positive, and you should be trading accordingly, because we are saying one index Nifty is very positive, and the other index which is going towards the sideways, and which is still not seeing a clear direction on a daily time frame. But unlike Bank Nifty, here we have Nifty, which is very bullish here. Okay, so that is how it is on a daily time frame for the Nifty. So all you have to do is again, this helps us to notice only the wider picture of the market. Okay, so Nifty is positive and the Bank Nifty is also positive, but it is a positive in a sideways region, in a sideways momentum region, in the consolidation region. Okay, so now coming out of Nifty, let's head back to the Bank Nifty, and let's see on a 5 minute time frame where are the key levels today, where it might made a pretty good profit by looking at today's 5 minutes chart. Okay, so to start with, it has opened here, and from here it has started rallying, and also around the same location. See here, you have a previous working day swing high there. Okay, so now that gives us a pretty good reason to draw a good swing high area, and also a reaction from the bottom from the first candle of Bank Nifty today. So now see, drawing just this region alone would have given you a chance to get into a trade here. A buying option was there towards for the longs, that is for your calls. Okay, so here you have a trade, because here this is not only a green candle but also 10 o'clock candle is is a kind of inside candle formation there. Okay, so this is an inside candle formation there, and see here you have a bearish engulfing pattern which is coming at that's level where we have seen some bearish engulfing pattern. So bearish engulfing pattern on a very bullish market, some might have a doubt about that, but forget about it. But at least here, okay, drawing this support alone, by looking at the candles very closely, you have an opportunity at 10 o'clock, and by capturing this moment by entering a trade here towards the call option, you have a pretty good option to trade towards the upper side, because here you have this much as your stop loss, but look at your target is pretty big. So in this case, you have a risk versus reward ratio of 2.09, and which is achieved in a pretty good time, because you have entered into your trade at 10 o'clock and your exit was around 12:15 for the first target. So if you want, you could have traded this position long enough if you are trailing your positions, but even your target is there at your at your first target level at 12:15. Okay, so you should have got your stop loss level to from cost to cost. Okay, so this red line now is, let's say that this red line is your stop loss. Now you are risking nothing, but you have you have a good chance without taking any risk. Now you have a chance to trail your profit. So to trail your profit, all you have to do is either follow the swing highs and lows and see how they are forming, or you should simply just look at your charts on your left. So here you have the second target after the green line is this reaction, and the next target after that is this line reaction. So since these are target levels, let's mark them in blue color. Let's see whether they have achieved or not. So here you have a second target achieved. Okay, so when your target is at this level, now you should raise your stop loss from there to your target one area. So that means I'm just taking this line off, and now your stop loss is there. And now you can see that bank nifty again start I did not reach the third target level, but it has again come back to this level. So you should have taken an exit here, but around somewhere in the noon, around see 12:35 was the right time to exit. So this trade alone could have got you 197 points of momentum in the bank nifty. So after that, again you have a similar situation. Now let's remove all these lines and see where was the another chance. Okay, so there are a couple of chances, but I'm just highlighting the key opportunities for today. So here you have seen a breakout of the bank nifty towards the downside, because you have a previous swing low location here. Okay, but that was not a valid breakout, because you have not seen any confirmation candle, and in fact you have seen a pattern called piercing pattern. So these two candles put together is called a piercing pattern. So, and it is also 80% of this candle. So it is giving us an 80% formation on in the bullish engulfing pattern that is coming at a very important support area allocation. So here you have another opportunity, because here again the risk versus reward ratio was looking pretty great, because see, your risk would have been somewhere here and your reward would have been somewhere here. So here you have again 2.08 times of risk versus reward ratio, and in fact it got your first target is reached. Now all you have to do is get your stop loss from cost to cost. Let's say this red line is your entry, and that is where your stop loss was, and now all you have to do is trail your targets. Yes, it has reached your second target. Now when your second target is reached, you should get your stop loss to your first target level, and now this is your third target level, and now your stop loss should be at second target level, and you're almost that position would have carried you towards the close. And now you are, now I'll delete that line, and let's see, you have exited somewhere here, not even till the close. But if you are till the close, then you would have seen another 169 points, but I'm assuming that you would have exited there. This is 138 points of momentum there, and 103 points less of 200 points momentum there. That is close to 330 5 points of momentum you would have captured in the bank nifty. So that is how you should have traded on an intraday time frame today in the bank nifty. I'm just highlighting the key levels here. All right, so if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section related to any pointing out to any particular time frame, any particular candle. You just ask me in the comment section. Let's see how we can address it either in comment section or in tomorrow's video. All right, so that's it for the bank nifty. Now let's see what were the opportunities in the nifty. So yeah, we have seen a nifty gap up opening at an all, not just an all-time high, but after a very important level, that is 22,000 level. So here you have seen a opening for the bank nifty, sorry, nifty at this level, and from there you have seen nifty going all the way towards the top. And here you have seen an inside candle formation that is also called as a harami candle formation. So your 925 candle finishes off with the harami candle formation, and after that we know that harami candle coming at an all-time high is risk according to a candlestick pattern. the rules. So here was a good here, even though, so okay, well, let's forget that there was you were thinking twice to take this trade, but because Nifty was at all time highs, but those who are confident enough would have taken, would have captured this trade at least till the first candle's low, that is still this line. Okay, so after that, after this pretty good momentum towards the downside, let's see where the next opportunity was. Next opportunity was very clear. Okay, next opportunity was at this level. Okay, because see, these two candles put together is giving us an another important candlestick formation, which is a bullish engulfing pattern. Now in order to see how that's working, you can switch on volume bars and see how it's working. But here volume is not that surpassing the previous red candle, but it was decent enough. Okay, so here you have another reason to enter into this trade. But those who are not confident enough with this one reason to enter into this particular trade would have waited, okay, until they have seen another opportunity here. See, here you have a swing low formation. See, here you have a swing low formation. Okay, and that is the place, that is a region, same level you have seen at 150 at 150 p.m. You have seen these two, 150 and 145 and 150 candles put together. We have seen a candle formation again called as a piercing candle formation. So from there again, you have a good opportunity to take the call option. So from there you have seen till close you would have made a good profit in the Nifty as well, that is around 60 points. So that's it, guys. That's it for the today's video. Hope you have understood how the Nifty and the Bank Nifty are looking on a daily time frame for the coming days, with the proper resistance and support levels, with the proper swing highs and lows on an daily time frame. And also, I hope you have understood what are the key points, the key takeaways from the today's price action of Bank Nifty and Nifty. So that's it for today. Thank you for being towards the end of the video, and please do subscribe if you haven't done so. And see you in our next post market and pre market analysis video. Until then, good night, see you, and happy trading.